clearing is just something else, huh, honey?
Yeah. You know what I see? A nice little racetrack. Bank turn behind you there?
Yeah. Yes, that is exactly what you would see. Racetrack. See how men's and women's minds are a little different? It does look like a racetrack though, now that you mention it. Looks like a good one. We're gonna have to give that a try.
Yeah.
All right, well, this is our new method for getting water. Kind of the same method, but with a twist. It's high now, and we just have to climb up on a rock. We're gonna have to make a video of what it's like to live off-grid in our camper.
It's hard.
He's being nice. It's worse than hard. Oh! The bucket. You ran it over. You're fine. Just keep going. So the final grade on the property is finished, and part of saving money is helping out a little bit. And you can see that pile of brush and logs from all the trees that were cut down. The excavator, Steven, is going to come back and get all the logs to use for firewood. But Richie has to cut all the brush off the tops and wood chip it. That's all in a day's work on the homestead.
Alright, well that's it for now. I gotta make another pile. This thing is a beast. It makes a big difference with the new blades I put on. It feeds on its own. It just gets hung up once in a while when it comes to you know, big Y type branches that get hooked on the outside of the funnel there on the chute. So, but this machine's doing a good job. I just have a little more to go. We'll work on this stuff after lunch.
We got this really cool gift, and it's a Horsehead Squirrel Feeder, which is really hysterical. And you can see that you put some yummy stuff up inside it for them, and then they get a horse head when they try to reach in. So we're putting that up today, and here it is where Richie put it. Really simple. You just screw that into a tree and you hang the head from it. And we're just going to use some almonds and peanut butter to lure them in there and see how that goes. It is so windy today.
next pile.
Kathy's in the lead. Richie's close behind. Kathy's still in the lead. But oh no! Richie's pulling ahead. Here it is in slow motion. On the inside of the curve, Richie takes the lead. Look at that lead he's got. Wow. He is leaving Kathy in the dust. What's this? Kathy cheats. Kathy doesn't complete the figure 8. It looks like we have a clear winner here, folks. And that winner is Richie. But they did have fun.
I've been trying to break through. I've been dying to be with you, but my attempts have often failed, and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt, only grew my self-contempt.
So why don't I get a sample of the True and the Lafayette and see which one we like better?
You gotta look at them in contrast to your
Let's
brown.
put it over here.
Against the brown, this one don't look bad.
No, it doesn't actually. It does look bright though.
And it is gonna be against the brown. It always dries darker.
The king of the mountain, baby.
Well, the upside of constant failing is the thought, what's the use of wailing when you've fallen deep below, underneath the roots that grow. There comes a point where you must choose. Will I win